learns and grows with unfathomable hunger in his belly. He grabs the horizon and expands it as he goes on an unstoppable journey. Full of maverick ideas and brave decisions, his courage and integrity catapult him into a larger universe. Inspiring and empowering many by his shine, he becomes like a waterfall, churning out millions of ideas. The applause rises as he grows taller and taller, making history brick by brick. Soon, he is at the top of the pyramid, and being number one is becoming a habit. He races forward, healing the earth and holding humanity's hand at the same time. Backed by the love and trust of his global family, he works harder as the medals on his shoulders keep adding. With every milestone, his thirst for growth only gets stronger. Zipping ahead on the highway of time, his tribe grows wider and larger than ever, carrying even bigger dreams on his strong shoulders. His mind buzzing with ideas, he surges through the roughest terrain. He finds himself miles ahead in the race. But then again, a hero's race is only with himself, and the countdown has just begun.
My greetings to you all from India. From wherever in the world you may be watching this, my namaskar to each and every one of you. And thank you for joining us today. I hope you all and all your loved ones are practicing responsibility, maintaining social distancing, and keeping yourselves and others around you safe. I want to start by wishing you all a wonderful New Year 2021 and wishing all of us a great decade. It sure is a welcome transition from a tough 2020 all of us have gone through to 2021, which I am certain will be a much better year. Today, we are on 21st of January 2021. We at Hero are at the cusp of yet another unique milestone. I am delighted to have you all with us virtually to witness it happening together. I'm today joining you all from one of our world-class manufacturing facility. Welcome to Gurugram. Many of you will recognize it by its previous name, Gurgaon, on the outskirts of India's capital, New Delhi. I'm told that at this moment, we are connected with hundreds of thousands of colleagues, our partners, suppliers, dealers, global distributors, key stakeholders, investors, and friends of the Hero ecosystem from around the world, waiting for this monumental milestone to occur. My heroes, my extended Hero family, and all the friends of Hero, all this is possible because we've all truly embraced technology to communicate in our daily lives. We are truly walking into the future. And to walk alongside us into the future, I would like to invite on stage the man who started the Hero journey with us 10 years ago, our dear friend Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you so much, Pawanji. This is an extreme honor, and I'm privileged to be sharing the stage with you after 11 years for Hero MotoCorp. And
Just a correction, 10 years.
10 years, okay. 10
In
years,
2011.
2011. And I just want to tell you that, for me to be here is something I would have never missed. Because today is a very, very, very important day. A great, iconic, historic moment where the 100 millionth motorcycle is going to come out from the family of Hero MotoCorp. And, I was trying to calculate कि कितने zeros होते हैं 100 million के अंदर. मैं हार गया, मुझसे हुआ नहीं बिल्कुल भी. And it's only possible because of the resilience of your team, the workers behind the scene, the hard work they put in, and of course, your inspiration. And speaking of inspirations, what I want to start off this day, sir, is to find out from you, how has this journey of Hero MotoCorp transpired?
So Shah Rukh, it was on January 19th, 1984, exactly 37 years ago, that this company was incorporated. Fueled by focus on future and reaching new milestones, a dream was set in motion with a vision for the company it wanted to be. Continuously targeting milestones with a vision for a dream in motion. Little did we know that this would become an organization that will change the way a nation moves. Our chairman emeritus, Dr. Brij Mohan Lal Munjal, and my beloved father put the building blocks in place for an ecosystem that has provided mobility to millions globally. Today, Hero MotoCorp provides wheels to the aspirations of millions and acts as an economic multiplier across the world. We have a long way to go on our relentless journey adding value to the world. Today, I feel proud and elated as this great organization, our Hero MotoCorp, and everybody associated with it are about to experience an achievement, a monumental milestone which once seemed a distant dream. I actually have to pinch myself to make sure that it is actually happening in our lifetime. This milestone signifies much more than just a sales record. It actually signifies so much more. It is the success of our iconic brand. It is the trust our customers have placed in us and our bikes and scooters. It is the hard work of the employees, all our heroes, and along with all of this, it is the success of this nation, our India. मेरे प्यारे साथियों, ये आप सबकी लगन और कड़ी मेहनत से मुमकिन हो पाया है.
Sir, I truly believe कि अगर हमारा देश यानी भारत, if Bharat has to become a true global hero, it is a company like Hero MotoCorp which is needed, and inshallah will take it forward. I cannot wait to be part of this amazing milestone where the 100 million motorcycle is going to come out. And before I move ahead, I just want to ask you something very personal, if it's all right, if you allow me. Agar aapke pitaji, if your father was here with you today, what is the one thing that he would have told you or said?
I know he would be so very proud and humbled, the man that he was, on seeing what we have become today. And now, as we move towards bringing alive our vision, be the future of mobility, through our mission to create, collaborate, and inspire.
He would have been so proud of you, like we are, sir. Sir, एक दो चीज़ें और मुझे आपसे पूछनी है. मैं जब भी ऐसी assembly line में or a manufacturing unit of this scale, when I walked in here today, for me it is one, very inspiring and extremely awesome. You run 8 fascinating plants like this, manufacturing units all around the world. There's in Colombia, there's in Bangladesh. You have R&D facilities in Jaipur, in Germany. I wanted to know, ये सब चीजें जो हैं, how does this all work? How does this come together as one cohesive unit?
Shahrukh, a lot of people get fascinated by all the facilities that we have around the globe now. So why don't I take you on a tour of all these facilities?
Please.
Let's have the AV, please.
Heroes are created on the conveyor belts of time. Greatness cracks open its shell, and nut by nut, bolt by bolt, a hero starts to emerge, and there starts his journey of light. He carries his people with him as he strides towards the horizon. And there starts his journey like a Shaolin monk of light, redefining progress. He carries his people with growth as he strides towards the horizon with the intention of making the world a better place. He moves like a Shaolin monk, redefining progress. Some heroes are born in chrome and steel, but their hearts are connected to the earth making the world a better place. The result is a world where man, yes, and some heroes are born in chrome and steel, but their hearts are connected to the earth and all its elements. On the wings of his valor, the result is a world where the world looks and planet work in perfect harmony. He bridges the gap between mind and heart, body and soul. On the wings of his values, he goes forward, taking his passion on his shoulders and running like a storm. He bridges the gap keeps growing, mind and heart, and his name stands tall across geographies. Taking his passion on his shoulders, but the future like a storm. His family keeps growing, and his name stands tall across geographies. Holding the hands of his constant partner, history had been made, zipped ahead, but the future was waiting in his hunger for more wisdom. Dedicating his life to the dream of creating the hand of his constant partner, technology, he zipped ahead. He roamed the world in his hunger for more wisdom, dedicating his life to the dream of creating and spreading happiness. Hero MotoCorp, creating happiness.
Wow, that was so insightful and definitely inspirational.
Hero
It makes me so
MotoCorp,
happy and proud to
creating
see an Indian
happiness.
brand reach such great heights. So, more power to all the superheroes behind
that was
the scenes
so insightful
and the Hero
and
MotoCorp
definitely
family. Inspirational, Pamanji.
Thank
It
you,
makes me
Shahrukh.
so happy and proud
You've
to see an
seen
Indian brand
all our
reach such great
facilities in
heights.
this. It's
So,
very
more
quick
power to all the
audiovisual.
superheroes behind the
And
scenes
let me
and the Hero MotoCorp
invite
family.
you to share, thank you, Shahrukh, with everyone here. You've seen all our facilities currently going on very quick at three of the plants which are in the race of the production of this 100 millionth bike. Maybe we take everyone to see what's happening at Neemrana, at the Haridwar factory, and right here in Gurugram. And I'm eager to see which plant will produce our 100 millionth bike. I want everyone to witness this live.
This is going to be extremely exciting, and I've never experienced this in my life to be.
Witness this live.
This is going to be extremely exciting, And I've never experienced this in my life, to be live with these plants and then find out which is going to be the 100 millionth motorcycle coming out of Hero MotoCorp. Sir, I would ask कि मैं ये वाली चीज़ experience अकेले करूं. आप इतनी देर से इतनी सारी presentation दे रहे हैं. आप 2 मिनट के लिए चाय पिए और मैं ये खुद देखकर इसका मुजाहरा लेता हूं.
Thank
Please,
you.
sir. Thank you so much. Hi Gaurav, how are you? A very, very big digital hello from all of us.
Shahrukh bhai, big hello to you too. We have seen so many special moments on a cricket field. हमने इतने hundreds देखे हैं, but today we're going to see 100 million. That's right. I'm super excited to be part of this historic moment.
Absolutely, and you know, it's like a habit. You are part of all epic and historic moments, GK. From having breakfast with champions, of course, to making history. Looks like you are the lucky charm that is needed for all history-creating moments.
शाहरुख भाई, आपने जो बात बोली है ना, आपने ये मेरा जो हिडन टैलेंट है ना, आज आपने मेरा हिडन टैलेंट आपने पहचान लिया. आप जोरी, आप हीरे की कदर जानते हैं. Right place at the right time. It's the only talent I have.
Actually, your talent is so well hidden, किसी को दिखता ही नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने mention किया. But tell us more about Neem Rana facility of Hero Corp. I wish I could be everywhere. I wish I could be with you and at Haridwar.
आपके सामने और स्प्लेंडर के सामने.
Absolutely, but tell me, what is happening right now at Neem Rana where you are present?
मैं आपको बताता हूँ, यहाँ पे इतनी excitement है. I mean, I'm in front of this conveyor belt, this modular conveyor. Now, this has a flexible pitch. I've got to tell you about this, क्योंकि it will really interest you. कि जैसे कोई भी किरदार हो, आप मतलब वो आप में समा जाता है, आप छोटे भी बन जाते हैं, आप बड़े भी बन जाते हैं. वैसे भी this flexible pitch allows for the entire range to big bikes. Everything can be assembled on this.
That sounds outstanding. तो तुमको क्या लगता है? Do you feel that Neem Rana, where you are present, is going to be producing the 100 millionth bike and win this race?
Guaranteed it will, because you know this Neem Rana factory, I have to tell you, this plant is amazing. It's called the Garden Factory. It's absolutely beautiful. The Evergreen Splendor is made over here, and it does exactly what you do. It manufactures happiness. So I have to tell you that though, because I was discussing this with some of the guys over here, and they said, "Okay, we are so happy Shahrukh sir is here because we also manufacture happiness, and his films also manufacture happiness." I have to pass that compliment to you.
No, thank you so much. Please give my love to everyone who's working so hard there behind you. And I want to say, what a lovely concept, you know, to be able to manufacture happiness. And I've also made to understand that Splendor is the largest single selling brand in the world.
I have to tell you, I mean, I'm going to tell you things that you already know, but फिर भी मैं बताता हूँ, क्योंकि this is, you know, it's the most reliable, it's the most fuel efficient 100cc BS6 engine. This is with Xsense technology assembled. It's of course in this high strength double cradle frame, and look, it's beautiful. The Splendor is beautiful. There is a reason why you keep seeing Splendors on the road, and you've seen them for so long. It is because it is absolutely an evergreen beauty. I am 100% नहीं sir, 1000% confident कि 100 million bike जो है वो Splendor ही होगी sir. मेरा दावा है, मेरा वादा है.
I wish that too for you, Gaurav. But you have very, very tough competition, because I've heard right here at Gurugram and at Haridwar, people are quietly kicking into action to produce the 100 million bike. Tough competition, Gaurav.
Sir, मैं उनको कहना चाहूँगा कि I beg your pardon, but this is the factory with the garden. Yes, ये नीम राना का ही होने वाला है. ठीक है, वो कर ले कोशिश, क्योंकि you see the Splendor has this fantastic patented technology, which is the ideal stop-start system, right? And in city driving, of course, gives you fantastic savings and fantastic mileage. So, wait, actually, मुझे कुछ याद आया that this technology is across the entire Hero commuter range. कहाँ नहीं मैं twist, but आपने तो कहा था कि मैं good luck charm हूँ, तो मैं हूँ इधर. तो आप भी evergreen है, स्प्लेंडर भी एवरग्रीन है, हमारी ये फैक्ट्री भी ग्रीन है नीम राना में, तो मतलब यहीं से होगा, यहीं से. और मेरे पास लोग भी हैं यहाँ पे, देखिए कॉन्फिडेंट है, पब्लिक का साथ है हमारे पास. सुधांशु आइए बताइए, शाहरुख सर को बताइए कि 100 मिलियन बाइक यहीं से होगी या नहीं?
ऑफ कोर्स यहीं से होगी. वी विल विन.
बहुत बढ़िया। और सर ये वैसे ही इतना enthusiastic है, एक ब्लैक कॉफी मैंने पिलाई थी सुधांशु को, बट अदरवाइज ये वैसे ही इतना enthusiastic है 100 million के बारे में। Come on, yes!
Okay, all the best to you, Sudhanshu. And Gaurav, you're sounding 100% sure about your 100 millionth bike coming out from Neemrana. So all the best to you. I will keep on checking on your progress. I'll come back and I'll find out. All the best. Keep working hard. Thank you, Gaurav. कितने खुश लग रहे हैं और इंस्पायर्ड भी लग रहे हैं और गौरव उनको पुश कर रहा है कि जल्दी जल्दी से 100 million बाइक बनाओ. But it's time to connect now to the production line right here where we are standing, as Pavanji mentioned, at Gurugram. And somewhere behind here, all the machines are whirring and things are going on. Please, can we connect to Gurugram now? Hello, Shivani. I'm so glad to connect with you.
Hi, Shahrukh. I'm so excited to see you here. How does it feel to be at the plant that is going to win this race? Don't listen to Gaurav. It's going to happen right here. Trust me.
Wow, everybody at different plants are so charged, supercharged. Okay, tell me. So is the 100 million bike coming from Gurugram?
Oh, absolutely. Here at Gurugram, as you can see, we're about to kick off production on the bike race, and we're going to win. We're going to win that race to the 100 millionth bike, and the team here is supercharged. They're excited because they know what's going to happen.
Okay, tell me. I'm right here, and I can see behind you all that is happening. Explain what's happening behind you. Tell me about the action.
So, Shahrukh, at Gurugram, this is the only plant that has a multi-engine, multi-facility form with a completely flexible manufacturing system. And that's what makes this plant so special. Today, our candidate to win the 100 millionth bike is this beauty that you see behind me right here. It's the Destiny 125 BS6. Isn't she stunning? Are we going to win this race, guys? Team? We need to work on their cheer a little bit. They're busy. It's a massive race. They're busy
don't disturb
working.
them, but let me tell you, Destiny looks amazing.
It is absolutely amazing. And the all-new Destiny is India's first family scooter. It's been engineered with a full metal body, as you can see. I mean, it's just a dream. Look at it.
Yeah, it's beautiful, it's safe. And tell me, I can spot some other stuff happening behind there. So are motorcycles also being assembled on the same line without a gap?
That's right. It's super efficient and flexible, which means that the changeover time is minimal. So what you see here is motorcycles and scooters that are being assembled back to back with no gap. That's what makes this plant so special. That's why we are going to win this race. And I've been egging this team on because look how hard they're working. I mean, how can we not win this race? We're going to win this race, guys, right? Yes, louder. Yes, more conviction. Come on. There you go. See, it's got to be us.
I'm so happy to see Gaurav and Shivani so enthusiastic. So you are very sure and clear the 100 million bike is coming from here.
Absolutely is. Bring it on. Bring on the competition. The 100 millionth bike is going to come from here. It's the Destiny 125 BS6. Game on.
All right, game on, Shivani. And I'm so happy Pavanji told me that, I can ride the bike, whichever one comes out as the 100 million. So I hope it's in my destiny to ride this beautiful Destiny. And all the best, Shivani. I hope you're ready with your camera to click a selfie with the 100 million bike when it comes out.
Absolutely. Absolutely raring to go.
Though I must warn you, tough competition from Neemrana. I just spoke with her.
Ooh.
But I'm going to connect with you again soon. Thank you so much.
You,
all the best.
Shahrukh.
Keep working hard.
Thank you, Shahrukh. See you soon.
A round of digital applause for all the people at all the factories and manufacturing units. They truly are working hard to manufacture happiness. And now it's time to go to the heart of Hero, to Haridwar. Hello, Sam. Namaskar. How are you?
Very well, Shahrukh Bhai. Thank you so much for asking. First of all, it's great to see you and hear your voice after a very long time. And I can tell you, usually I'd say hi, hello, what's up? But today I'm going to say Har Har Gange, because I'm in the lovely, beautiful city of Haridwar. And I'm right here at this wonderful plant. And I can tell you, Shahrukh Bhai, I'm feeling a sense of spiritual calm, spirituality, Zen, divinity. And I can guarantee you one thing. Whatever Gaurav and Shivani are saying, well, that's passé. The 100 millionth bike is going to be rolled out of this assembly chain. I'm sure of it.
That calm thing was only for a moment. Actually, Sam is always so confident about whatever he does. So 100 marks for confidence for winning this race.
Yes, sir, confidence तो होगा ही. It's also belief. मुझे गंगा मैया पर सर पूरा भरोसा है मुझे.
Absolutely. Tell me more about the Haridwar facility. What's happening there exactly right now as we speak?
Well, first of all, Shahrukh bhai, I got to tell you that my mind is blown. Just coming to this facility and having a look-see at what happens around here, it's just incredible. This is the largest facility of the Hero Group. It's called the Shrine of Technology. It's 215 acres in size. This is the biggest biking facility in the world, in fact. 5,600 people working on a daily basis. 10,000 bikes churned out every day. Every 4.5 seconds, there's a bike that makes its way towards the testing tracks. It's just amazing to see the synergized work between man and machine to develop these beautiful, fantastic bikes. And I got to show you this right behind me, Shahrukh bhai. Right here, on the assembly line, is the new premium product of the Hero Group. This is called the Xtreme 160R. Sir, its tagline bhi hai, hearts will race. And it's super fast, it's super quick. So I'm thinking, sir, the quickness will take it all the way towards the finishing line, go past the other bikes, and end up as that 100 million bike, sir.
I'm sure, I believe you, but tell me, how fast is this bike?
You're gonna like this, Shahrukh bhai. 0 to 60 kilometers per hour only in 4.7 seconds flat out. That's incredible.
Oh, wow. You know, this is, I don't know if I could ride that fast, but this is the bike after my heart. So I think I need this one.
So if you need it, then I got your back. Sir, kaam karta hu na main. When the 100 million bike comes out at the finishing line, I'll be the closest to it. What I'll do is, I'll jump onto it, ride it out straight to you, so you can enjoy your need for speed.
That's so kind, Simon. I hope you win and you ride on that bike and bring it straight to me. And as promised by Pavanji, that I can ride on it too. But I must warn you, the competition is very tough, Sam. It's very, very tough. So let's see if you are the one who's going to ride that bike to me or not.
Sir, I'm glad it's tough. So you're right, sir. The competition is tough. But when the competition and the going gets tough, the tough get going. All these people working behind me are working furiously and are very excited about making the impact and getting that 100 million bike out from here. But I want to tell you one thing, sir. Besides the whole competition aspect, I can tell you one thing. I am feeling like a child in a candy store right now. As a biker, as a biking enthusiast, to be sitting and watching these bikes being put together, being assembled, is something I'm not going to forget for the rest of my life. So I'm having a ball of a time here.
I know you're a bike enthusiast, and you must be really enjoying yourself there. I wish I was there with you, Sam. You've talked about the speed. I can see it's fantastic to look at Xtreme, but I've heard it's one of the safer bikes too. It's extremely safe, this bike.
Well said, Shahrukh bhai. Bang on. They've taken care of the speed aspect, but they've got wonderful safety measures as well when it comes down to the braking system and ABS system, single channel system installed in all the bikes, that these bikes not only take care of the speed, but the safety measures as well. So yeah, super safe a ride too.
You know, these guys know so much details about the bikes, and I want to impress our viewers with my knowledge of motorbikes. Let me tell you, there is a telescopic suspension in front and monoshock suspension in the back. So bikers, full safety in check. But now the race has begun. From which facility will the 100 million bike be rolled out?
Shahrukh bhai, you're always more than impressive, but I'll tell you what's impressive out here is the way these guys are working as well. So I got a feeling, sir. It's a spiritual feeling. It's a divine feeling. It has to be Haridwar.
You know what? तुम्हें थोड़ा सा unfair advantage है, Sam. क्या है, सबके पास amazing मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स हैं, बहुत सारे हार्ड वर्किंग एम्प्लॉइज हैं, सारे के सारे लगे हुए हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उन सबके पास वो नहीं है जो तुम्हारे पास है. तुम्हारे पास माँ है, गंगा माँ. So all the best to you. This is going to be outstanding for everybody who's watching. You know, I just want to say that this race for the 100 million bike started years ago, and Hero MotoCorp has been working hard to bring us up to here, and we are going to witness this live in front of all of you, hundreds and thousands of friends and family and employees and dealers, and this is an outstanding moment. Thank you so much, Sam. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Shahrukh Bhai. Thank you.
And I'm not going to savor this excitement all alone by myself. So I am actually going to invite Pawanji back on stage to take me through the rest of the day. And, we're dying to listen to his inspirational words. Pawanji, would you please join me back on stage? Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shahrukh.
सर ये मैंने बहुत एक्साइटिंग था मेरे लिए. दिस वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग थिंग्स आई हैव डन. मैं एक प्लांट देखूंगा लाइव गौरव, सैम, शिवानी के साथ. मैंने सारे प्लांट्स में जो रेस चल रही है, आई हैव बीन वाचिंग इट एंड दिस इज रियली एक्साइटिंग टू सी द 100 million bike. But I want to know, I personally feel, because I'm here, so maybe I'm a little biased and I love this facility here, that Gurugram will win. Which of these plants is your favorite and who do you think is going to win?
Before that, Shahrukh, I was watching you interacting with all these colleagues in Nimrana, in Haridwar, and here in Gurugram, and I could actually see the child back inside you. Just like I saw Gaurav and Samir talking about motorcycles and motorcycling, the passion was right coming out there. Coming back to my favorite plant, you know how a mother treats all children. So for me, if Haridwar is my heart, Nimrana is my face and the organization's face, Gurugram here is my body. For me, they are all the same. I am also curious to see which one of these plants is going to win the race today.
Absolutely. Spoken like a true leader, an entrepreneur, a businessman, but with the compassion of a mother. All your children are equal, as you said. मेरे सारे बच्चे मेरे लिए एक बराबर हैं. Pawanji, I have this moment with you. I want to ask you some questions. It's going to take 5, 10, 15 minutes to get the 100 million bike out here live for everybody to see. लेकिन मुझे ये मौका, I don't get this opportunity. This has been not, like you mentioned, 10 years later I'm having this opportunity. So I want to savor this moment. I want to take this opportunity to ask you a few questions. Some personal, some about business, to learn from you. And of course, some generically as the human being that you stand for and the human being that you are. Do I have the permission?
Of course, Shahrukh. I'm happy to share my thoughts with you. Do please keep an eye on what's going on in all these 3 factories. We don't want to miss the magical moment that we are all here for.
Sir, मैं देखता रहूँगा. मेरी आँखें चारों तरफ फैली हुई हैं. I will make sure that we don't miss the moment, but I don't want to miss this moment also of asking you and learning from you, sir. So there is so much to talk about the hero's journey, Hero MotoCorp's journey, and of course about the history that is going to be made today. I have a very personal question. What is the secret of your reverse aging, Pawanji? आप 10 साल पहले जैसे दिखते थे, 10 years ago, how I met you, how you looked, you've become even better than that. And allow me to say this, that this beard looks really, really marvelous on you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Shahrukh. Well, let me say I'm good, staying safe. जब दिल सच्चा होता है, जब काम अच्छा होता है और सोच ऊंची होती है, फिर चेहरे पे यही सब दिखता है. When your heart is pure, your work is sure, your thoughts soar, then it all shows on your face. And maybe for the same reason, you look younger than you did 10 years ago.
Thank you so much. मुझे बहुत मेरी सोच आपके जितनी ऊंची नहीं है, but thank you very much for saying that for me. And bless you, sir. And I will never forget that landmark day, when we were in London on August 9, 2011. And that was fantastic, wasn't it?
At the O2 Arena.
At the O2 Arena. And let me say, it was such a big function. There were a lot of global heroes on stage with us. There was Rahman Saab, there was Ranbir, there was Akon. But I have to admit, for me that day, Pavanji, the biggest hero on stage was Hero MotoCorp.
That's truly humbling for me, Shahrukh. And I'm sure there are not too many moments that even you get overshadowed. Maybe that's why you remember all this so fondly.
So let me tell you, there is only one hero that I don't mind being overshadowed by, that is Hero MotoCorp. कोई और hero होता तो मैं उसको बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ता. I would have never left them. But on a more serious note, Pavanji, I felt very proud that day as an Indian to see an Indian company hosting an event on a global scale in the heart of London, setting an example for people to follow for years and years to come.
Let me say the occasion demanded an event of that stature and scale, Shahrukh. It was the beginning of a new journey for us, a dream and a new vision that we set out on as the new Hero MotoCorp, which earlier was a different avatar, a journey that would change the direction and destiny of this company positively and bring us here where we are standing today.
Fantastic, Pavanji. And I was also reading in the news and talking to people here before I walked onto stage that even during the pandemic, your team, your guys, you were on top of your game and really drove the entire industry forward. I heard of the many town halls you did with your team to get them prepared for the worst. One of the more poignant things is that during all the town halls, whenever there were tensions and times were difficult, you know, Pavanji would play When the Going Gets Tough, the tough get going. And you know, he had the foresight to see what was going to happen. And even before the lockdown, they started preparing in their factories, with their dealers, with everybody as a team. And to top it all, you know, if that was not enough to keep the industry going forward and show the path to go ahead, you were one of the first few companies or teams which donated, were charitable to the Prime Minister Relief Fund to the tune of about 100 crore rupees.
Yes, Shahrukh, the way the year 2020 panned out for all of us, it would have been very easy for us to relax, defer all targets, and wait for life to get back to normal. At Hero, our entire ecosystem came together and ensured that we stay on course to meet our new enhanced goals and create hope for the economy. Shahrukh, as you are interested, let me share with you that in the process, we also drove and aided the recovery of the sector. It is this work ethic that has kept Hero MotoCorp at the top of the charts for 2 decades now, 20 years.
Yes, sir. And hearing this, Pavanji, makes me feel that you truly are a leader and hero of our times. And it is no surprise for Indians that Hero has become a part of their memorable journeys. Everyone has a hero story. Maybe the first ride with their family, their girlfriend, or, you know, as a matter of fact, I have a hero story of my own. There was a time, you know, people were scared, especially mothers, and my mother didn't know or didn't want me to ride a motorcycle. But I have to admit that I learned how to ride a motorcycle on a Hero motorcycle, hiding from her, using my friend's bike, which was a Hero motorcycle, and learnt it.
I hope you're not just trying to flatter me here.
Not at all, sir. Not at all. And I've also decided that the first 100 million bike that is going, I'm going to ride out of here. And I'll hope my mom prays for my safety, because I've heard this one is really fast, all of these. So you tell me, sir, you know, all of us have stories, hero stories. How does it feel to be ahead of a company that is synonymous, not only with growth and success of India, but its youth also?
Absolutely, absolutely, Shahrukh, so true. As you said, the story of Hero's growth and success is synonymous with the growth and success of India. Let me share a little more with you. From making a single product in the 1980s when we started in 1985 to 3 in 1990s, we today cater to our youthful and aspirational global customer base with more than 20 products. As the country and its economy opened up and began to understand its potential, Hero continued to play the role of an enabler to its aspirations. From personal mobility to millions, to setting up ecosystems that provide economic viability to societies and geographic regions. Hero has been a catalyst for its customers, its people, its society, for our country, India, and now multiple nations across the globe. Today, we proudly make in India for the world.
What an amazing thing to say, Pawanji, because I also truly believe that Make in India is the slogan going forward for all of us. And it is companies like Hero MotoCorp and your inspirational journey that will make it possible. To make this happen, what I have learned from you in these conversations that we're having while we are waiting for 100 million bike, that first and foremost, we all have to believe कि हम सब में है hero. Good times, bad times, tough times, we can conquer all and be totally global if first we believe कि हम में है hero. And you being a leader of this belief, does it make you feel challenged, happy, or even क्योंकि आप इतना काम कर रहे हो, इतनी चीजें कर रहे हो, I really have to ask you, so do you feel challenged, do you feel happy, do you feel excited, do you get even more focused going forward?
Actually, Shahrukh, all our hard work, efforts, and learnings have really paid dividends in this past decade, when many people had many issues because the economy was so very slow. And this also brought some level of growth and success for India and Hero. And Hero kept on achieving newer heights. So this exponential growth achieved by the organization in these recent years has an even greater significance as we achieved all of this as in our new avatar, which is today Hero MotoCorp. From selling 4 million units every year to now selling 8 million units every year, adding another 5 world-class manufacturing facilities to our existing 3, and as you earlier said, creating globally benchmarked R&D ecosystem spreading across India and Germany. We've really been in our zone in these past few years.
It's outstanding and fascinating numbers and landmarks to accomplish in just 10 short years. All these manufacturing units, distribution, partners, marketing, downtimes and uptimes, so much happening around you all the time. Even when you're talking about it, I'm getting completely overwhelmed by the scale of the operations of Hero MotoCorp. Tell me, how do you bring balance to these operations?
I'm very happy you are asking me really very, very smart questions.
Sir, मैं सिर्फ handsome ही नहीं, smart भी हूँ.
I can see that. Balance is a very crucial aspect in everything that we do. For a business, a critical aspect of its progression and journey has to be focused on a well-rounded growth. We at Hero MotoCorp are highly conscious of this fact and ensure that we add more value in everything that we do. Sustainability is very close to my heart, and one of the key pillars of our operations. We ensure that we continuously focus on providing sustainable growth to the societies that we operate in and also to all our stakeholders. Our manufacturing facilities across the globe are aptly called garden factories for their sustainability and green initiatives. You already seen the garden factory in Neemrana a while back. Our R&D facilities, the Center of Innovation and Technology, which we call CIT, and the Tech Center in Germany are world-class centers of excellence and have automotive experts designing and developing products for our customers across the globe. Most importantly, working in these facilities are people from over 10 different nationalities who are devoted to research and manufacturing excellence. I'm also delighted to share that Hero MotoCorp was recently figured in the prestigious Dow Jones Global Sustainability Index, one of the 11 Indian companies to figure in this coveted list. We have set very, very ambitious targets for ourselves in this area. For example, we aim to be 500% water positive by the year 2025 and 100% carbon neutral by the year 2030. While we continue to focus on building value for our stakeholders and keep providing our customers with relevant products, we are keenly aware of the future mobility requirements as well. Keeping an eye for changing trends and keeping pace with our dynamic world, we are simultaneously ensuring future readiness by working on alternate mobility solutions as well. So our R&D hubs are world-class and have automotive experts making products for our global customer base.
So this is so inspiring, so much work, and what all effort that goes into this. I could stand here and listen to you all day, like I'm sure most of the listeners and viewers right now can. But like you told me, to keep an eye on the 100 million motorcycle that is going to be produced, and I'm getting...
Absolutely.
Yes, and I'm getting some news that this landmark is kind of closer than we thought. I think the factories and the boys and girls who are working, that's one thing I just wanted to mention on the side, that you have, as you mentioned, this diversity part where you've got ladies to start working in conditions which were normally considered only male-dominated.
Yep.
So these are amazing things happening. Can I just stop for a moment and see what's happening in
Absolutely.
our 3 factories? So the special occasion is close, and I can see Gaurav working hard. I can see Shibani doing her bit. And okay. So are we getting the news from here, Gurugram? Is this the space? Is Gurugram? What? Gaurav? अभी एक मिनट सर, बड़ा एक्साइटिंग हो रहा है. मुझको लग रहा है ये गौरव जो है बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है कि अपनी मोटरसाइकिल 100 मिलियन जीत जाए. But no, is it from Harid? Oh yes. Okay, this is it, sir. The news is here. Haridwar it is. We need to cut to Haridwar to Sam right away. Please, can we have Sam on the screen, please? Hi, Sam. You have some good news for us?
All right, Shahrukh bhai. So here we go. Aapke andaz mein, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, ho jaiye tayyar for the landmark moment. As I look behind me, it's on the assembly line. Beena is ready to get her hands on it. In fact, she has gotten onto it. So here it is, presenting Hero's 100 millionth bike, the Extreme 160R. Here you go. Well done, Beena. The heroes who work day in, day out to make this possible. All the wonderful people who work for Hero MotoCorp. Please come on in here, guys. Come on in here. Come on in here.
Wow, congratulations to everybody, all the people who are working in the factories who've made this possible over years and even today for the 100 million, not only in Haridwar, but also at Gurugram itself, where I'm standing with Pavanji, who looks really excited, happy and satisfied that the 100 millionth milestone has been reached. And of course, even in Neemrana. And I think this must make you feel so proud. This must make you feel so happy. This must also make you feel so emotional, to reach this place, Pavanji. And I know you would love to share these feelings with all the thousands of people who are waiting here, watching with bated breath that this moment should arrive for Hero MotoCorp. Sir, I won't stand in the way right now. This is your moment. This is your company's moment. This is Hero MotoCorp's moment.
Thank you. Thank you, Shah Rukh.
Please, the stage is yours.
You are so very, so very right. I am emotional. And why not? Here, right here, in the Hero ecosystem, in the Haridwar plant, a symbol of our perseverance, fruition of our dreams in real time. The 100 millionth motorcycle produced by Hero MotoCorp. And yes, it is the Hero Extreme 160R. The honor of creating this landmark has gone to the Haridwar plant. I am truly, truly overwhelmed by emotions at this moment. I so wish that my father and to the world, Chairman Emeritus, was here with us to witness this moment. I'm sure I'm realizing his dream from 37 years ago and his vision for Hero. My dear friends, not in our wildest dreams could we have imagined this day 37 years ago. Yet, we all have done it, my heroes. We have all done it together, my entire Hero family. We, the Hero family, have done it. This landmark moment and this 100 millionth bike is what happens when we create, collaborate, and inspire. And this also represents our passion, our integrity, respect for all, our courage as an organization, and being responsible. Of course, because of the fact, just like Shah Rukh said earlier, that hum sab mein hai hero. There is a hero in each one of us. Hero MotoCorp's achievement of this milestone has been one of the fastest in the globe. My heroes, family and friends, we sold 50 million bikes in 29 years in the year 2013. This was followed by the 75 million bike mark in the year 2017. And now, we have produced the 100 millionth bike. We will have traveled from 50 million to the 100 million mark in a mere 7 years. Yes, in a mere 7 years. My heroes, we all are unstoppable. This truly is a very proud moment for all of us, forever Hero, and everyone in the Hero ecosystem globally, and also, shall I say, for every proud Indian. The key contributors in our achievement of this monumental milestone are our customers and all our stakeholders. All of them have continued to put their trust in Hero MotoCorp for over 3 decades. Thank you to each and every one of you. I personally salute all Hero bike or scooter owners in India and around the globe. You are all my heroes. I and the entire global Hero family are eternally grateful to all our customers. We will continue to excite and enthrall you with all new bikes, scooters, and our services. Our celebrations start today on 2/1/121, the 21st of January 21. This is just the beginning. All through the year, we will celebrate the achievement of this magical 100 million milestone with our customers and our wide and diverse Hero family. as we embark on this exciting year-long celebration, let me start the celebration today and right here. Yes, I am delighted and honored to present to all of you with 6 Celebration Edition bikes.
पवन जी सॉरी मैं आपको थोड़ा इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन आप इन सब खुशियों में, in all this happiness and excitement of the 100 million bike and all this lovely things that are happening today all over in all the plants of Hero MotoCorp, you forgot the promise that you will allow me to sit on one of the bikes. The Extreme is here, I notice, and Glamour is here. So I would request you that if you would pose with me with your motorbiker jacket and the helmet, and then we'll sit on this and take a picture. Is that okay?
Everyone knows, and I'm told, that I have an elephant's memory. I did not forget.
Then?
I was waiting to,
You
come up with a little bit of acting.
Oh, well done. Because I was completely taken in that you've forgotten. Good
Not
acting,
at all,
sir.
not at all.
But now I have to learn some bike riding from you. May I take your jacket, sir?
Absolutely.
And our helmets. आप किस पे बैठोगे सर? Extreme पे?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
I'll go on the Extreme.
Now we'll sit on this one. And for the pictures, सर एक बार मेरे साथ हमारा हीरो का स्लोगन बोल दीजिएगा कि हम में हीरो हाथ उठाकर 1
Whenever you tell me.
2 3
हम में है hero.
Thank you so much, sir, for being so sporting, allowing me to sit on this wonderful bike. And I just have two little requests. That next time, please don't make it so many years before I can have the opportunity of spending time with you. And also, I want to be the first guy in Mumbai to take back home the Extreme. So, wo zarur mujhko aap de dijiyega. And I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for making me part of this moment. It's been wonderful, and I genuinely believe that for me very exciting, because where we all started years ago to right here. बहुत मुझे यहाँ पर आपने बुलाया.
Absolutely, it's been a wonderful experience having you back here with us, Shahrukh, and giving this moment to millions of people across the globe together. and letting them watch history being created. And this, as we saw from the Haridwar plant. Once again, thank you for being here with us. I'm going to make a small request to you, Shah Rukh, and since you are here with us and we have these 6 wonderful beauties, I'd like to request you to give us your autographs on each of these 6 bikes so we can treasure these, and then some of these can be given to some of our lucky customers.
It's my honor. लेकिन अपने कस्टमर्स के चक्कर में मुझे मत भूलिएगा. मेरी
Not
बाइक
at
जो
all,
है,
not at all,
मैं
not at
वरना हर बाइक पे लिख दूंगा कि ये अपना मुंबई का एड्रेस लिख दूंगा मैं यहाँ पे. In a second I'll do this, sir. This one is a beauty, sir. This is fantastic.
Absolutely,
This one.
absolutely is. That's the Splendor Plus, which is the best seller.
This is the one.
Yeah.
Was it Neem Rana? Thank you for this honor once again, sir.
Thank you, Shah Rukh. Thank you for
बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद.
coming back and not being the lone hero, but a joint hero.
Absolutely.
A co-hero.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. This year, my dear friends, this year is about celebration. We will count on our spirit of togetherness, your continued support for our growth journey. In keeping with our heroic spirit, we are already working towards building our next phase of growth. Our focus on our vision, be the future of mobility, we will relentlessly continue to bring it alive through our mission to create, collaborate, and inspire. We are actively working on our research and development on a lot of new stuff, on alternative mobility solutions, on future modernization of our state-of-the-art and sustainable manufacturing facilities, network expansion, and brand building across the globe. Your presence today has truly made our 100 billion milestone even more momentous and memorable. My heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to everyone across the globe who witnessed history in the making. So my heroes, my extended hero family, and friends, till we meet again, keep celebrating, keep innovating, and stay safe. Namaskar. Thank you. Are we off camera?
दिल धीरे धीरे धड़के आज फिर होने को है आगाज सफर पर चलने का बढ़ने का इतना है हौसला जितना भी फासला मंजिल ने मिल ही जाना है ओ ख्वाबों से
इंडिया कर रहा है नई शुरुआत और इसको रफ्तार दे रहा है हीरो।